Hello traders, this is T-Team Tammy from Lion Troop Global Associates. Welcome to yet another video. Today we're going to be reviewing USDCAD. So we explained USDCAD last week where we talked about the trade setup. So just to get an idea of how we're looking at this market, you can go and check our previous post where it's titled USDCAD trade setup, where I'm explaining basically the technicals behind this trade. So as you can see, right now it's just a recap, and you can see that price dropped 0.51% ever since we analyzed and we entered into this trade. So now for the upcoming week, which is the 15th to the 19th trading week, let's look at AUSSIE. It's taking some time to load. The network is pretty bad today, so let's just wait for a moment. Yeah, there it is. So now we're looking at AUSSIE on the daily. So now let's do a top-down analysis of this pair. Let's start on the weekly. So here we are on the weekly chart. We're going to start by drawing a trend line here on the lows. So we have a trend line, an ascending trend line, which shows bullish momentum. So now we can use a line chart just to see if it lines up pretty well. So now we can see that we on our swing points. We have this swing point here. Let's line it up well. Right there, we have our swing point. This is the beginning of our trend line. So we have it here. We have another one here. We have another one here. So we're applying the trend line on our higher lows. So now we have our uptrend. So let's go back to the candlesticks to just get an idea of how we're looking at this market. So ever since we caught support here at 0.75 thousand, we have been rising. In fact, we had 5 weeks of bullish momentum. And we're currently around this price section, as you can see. So in between here, let's go on the daily. So here on the daily, you can see that we just recently had a pullback and a break above our resistance level. This is actually our weekly resistance level at 0.78986. So we didn't just break above, we broke and closed, which shows a whole lot of bullish momentum. So a breakout is not a breakout until we close above that specific level. And in this case, we closed above our resistance level, which shows bullish momentum. And if you can look at our moving average, it has crossed to the upside, which is another indicator really of bullish momentum. So now, currently, once it closes above or once it crosses above, it acts as a dynamic support. And this dynamic support is confluent with our support region here in between 0.789 and 0.781. So now we have a price action signal here, which is a bullish pin bar, which once again is another indicator of bullish pressure. So we're going to buy into this market around this price action once the market opens today, and then we're looking at 0.82 or 0.81839 as our upside target. So I love you all. Touching the trader from Lion Troop Global Associates.